Hey there, my name is Bobby, and I love to watch YouTube videos on owning and running an online business. But very often I come across these how to make money online videos with some extraordinary claims like $35,239 in one day. This free bot makes you $700 per day. Earn $91 per hour by just watching videos. Now, I'm not saying that any of this is untrue, but to be honest, it makes me wonder why there are so many people battling in the world if these claims are true. So instead of me thinking these claims are a bunch of bull, and to be honest, I think most of them are, I thought, let me give these YouTube creators a chance and test some of these claims out to see if they really work. Surely these creators have their audience's best interests at heart and really want to help people out. To be honest, I'm not holding my breath. But my plan is to keep an open mind while doing this. I think this will be fun, so I'll be the guinea pig. Why not join me for the ride? If you enjoy these types of videos, please could you do me a solid and like the video. Let's see if we can get this video to 50 likes. Feel free to comment with links to videos you want me to test out, so you don't have to. Or just comment on the method revealed in this video and tell me what you think. Also, please remember to subscribe to my channel and push the notification bell to keep posted of all videos I upload. First thing I want to mention is if you hear things dropping in the background, my apologies. There's just someone doing some work upstairs. Right, if you want me to keep testing these make money online opportunities so you don't have to, please leave a comment below, make money online 2022. I'll really appreciate that. It helps with the YouTube algorithm. There's just a few things I want to mention before we get into the video. First thing is, I'm not going to discuss everything in the creator's video. I'm just going to go through the important parts so we can find out if this method is a legit way to make money online. If you are interested in watching everything the creator has to say, I have posted their video link in the description below. I'll also post all links mentioned in my video in the description. The second thing is when I need to create accounts, write posts or comments, I will fast forward through that part or skip it totally so I don't bore you. I will, however, show you the posts or comments I have written once I'm done. And then the last thing is to remember to stay until the end of the video so you can check out if I got any results with this method. In this video we're looking at today, the creator claims that he made $1,500 in one day with CPA marketing. So let's get into it. This creator does show us his CPA account. He uses CPA Group, and it shows for today's revenue that he's made $618.04, which is pretty decent money. He then moves to another account, which I think is called Ad Media, something of that effect. And this shows his earnings in that account for today, yesterday, the last 7 days, the current month, and the previous month, which is pretty decent. So I'm not sure if he uses this method to make all this money, or if there's various methods he uses to make this type of money. He then goes to another CPA account of his to show his earnings, and you can see it on the screen there. So he is making decent money, it seems. The creator goes on to tell us we'll be using a CPA network called CPA Group. I do have an account with them and it's very easy to sign up. It doesn't go through an approval process. You get approved immediately. We're also going to be using Instagram and a website called Ingo. I think that's how you pronounce it. The creator goes onto SimilarWeb and types in Ingo's URL, and it shows that it's ranked 92 in the United States and 126 in the world. So that is pretty decent. And it gets around 259 million visits. He then scrolls down the SimilarWeb page and shows us that it's mostly first world countries visiting that Ingo website, if that's how you pronounce it. I think that's how you pronounce it. The creator then explains basically you can earn $2 or more with every person that submits their email to the CPA network. So if you get lots of visitors to that and they complete the survey or the whatever they have to complete and submit their email, I'm sure you can make some money with this. It's the traffic that needs to be good in order to make a decent amount of money, which apparently he's going to show us how to do. So the first website we need to go to is cpagroup.com. I will leave a description in the link below. As I said previously, it's very easy to sign up. There's no approval process. So if you haven't got an account, you're just going to click on this register button and then just complete all your information here and click this button that says register now. I do have an account, so I'm going to log in quickly and then I'll meet you on that side. So I've logged into my CPA Group account, and this is what you'll get when you log in. When you first register, you may have to complete some information before your account looks like this. So just make sure to do that, but it tells you step by step what to do once you've logged in. In the creator's video, he then shows us this little pop-up that says you'll earn money sharing celebrities' images in a simple question. He then tells us to head over to Instagram. So I'm going to quickly log into my Instagram account. So I've logged into my Instagram account. This is a brand new Instagram account that I've just created for my channel. So if you want to follow me, I'll leave a link in the description at the bottom. So the creator says what we're going to do on Instagram is try to find popular celebrities. And in order to do that, one way to find out who is popular right now is to go to Google and just type in popular celebrities right now. And there we go. So Google gives you some popular celebrities right here. So let me search for Adele in Instagram. Right, and this must be her with this verified check mark. I'm just going to click on there. The creator then says we need to find a picture here that stands out. So I'm going to just scroll through this feed and see if I can find anything that stands out. So what I found is this image. I think it's Adele. Let's click into it. So I assume this is her. And it kind of stands out to me. Maybe because of the yellow feathers and her hairstyle. So I think I will use this picture. Also has a lot of likes. Once you've chosen an image, the creator then says you need to click on these three dots here and then click this link that says copy link. We then need to head over to another website called downloadgram.org. Again, you'll find the link in the description below. So I'm just going to head over there now. When you get to this page, you then want to just paste that Instagram link over here and then click download now. You'll then click this download link here and that will save it to your computer. We then now need to head over to another website called jspaint.app. Again, link will be in the description. Once you get to this website, you're just going to grab that image you downloaded and put it in here. You can just drag it over. So that is in a folder on my other screen. I'm just going to quickly go over there. Right, then I have dragged this image into jspaint.app. Once the image is dragged over, right, what you want to do is come to this rectangle tool. Make sure you click on the second option. And then you just want to cover some of the features that could make her recognizable. So maybe something like that. Right, then you want to save the image. and just save it to your computer. So the next website we need to go to is the image website, which is Ingo.com, if that's how you pronounce it. I'm going to go over there and I'll meet you there. So I'm over here at Ingo.com, and the creator says the first thing we have to do is create an account. So to do that, we just click on this green button that says sign up. And then I'm just going to fill in these details and I'll meet you on the other side. So once you've completed your details, you'll get to this screen where you'll get I think it's a 7-digit code that you need to fill in here. This gets sent to you via text, and you need to confirm that you're not a robot and then click register. So once we've signed up, creator says we need to click on this green button that says new post, and then we can drag our image that we edited in that paint program over here. So I'm just going to grab it on my other screen. Alright, so there is my image over there. Right, so once we've dragged this image across, we need to go back to CPA. Now that I'm in my CPA Group dashboard, what we need to do is click on monetization tools and then URL file lockers. We then need to click on create new content locker now. And we need to check this, that we agree to the terms of service, and then the continue button. Right, for the name, we can just put the artist whose image we are using. We then need to go to templates, and then we need to select this theme over here. The content creator says we must make sure we use this template and not any other one over here. We then need to come to the style tab. We then want to go back to Ingo. We then want to right click on our image and click copy image address. We then go back to CPA Group, and over here where it says background, in between the parentheses here, the brackets, we need to just replace that URL with the one we've just copied. Then once we've done that, we want to click on refresh preview. And there is our image. We then go back to Instagram. We're going to click on these 3 dots again and copy the link again. We then want to go back to CPA Group, and under general, where it says locked URL, we want to paste that link over there. The creator then says we need to show 5 or 6 offers. So I'm going to select 5. We then need to go to advanced, and then we can select the leads required over here. I think he goes up to 3, but I'm going to leave it as 1 to make it not so difficult, because I would, to be honest with you, I would never complete this. That's the first thing. So I don't know, maybe there are people out there that will complete this. So I'm just going to leave it at 1 for now. And what I'm also going to do, which I'm not going to do on this video, but I'm going to test other images. So I'm going to maybe do a few celebrities and see what happens. The creator does mention if you only want 1, that's fine as well. That means the lead will only complete 1 offer instead of 2 or 3. And then that is all for the setup, apparently. We're then going to click the save button. We then go back to Ingo.com, and in the title here, we're going to type, can you guess who this is? We then need to go back to our CPA Group. We click this get links button, and we can copy the link. We then go back to Ingo.com, and in the description here, we're going to type, to find out who this is, click here and then copy our link. So something like that. Once we've done that, we click this button over here that says post to community. And then we just click this button that says post publicly. And apparently that is how we are going to drive traffic. So people will see this when they come to Ingo, because there's tons of traffic that comes to this website. Hopefully see your image and it will pique their curiosity, and they'll click on this, have to complete a survey, and then they'll go to Adele's, in my case Adele's Instagram page, and see that it's a picture of her. Quite interesting method. I don't know if it will work, but obviously that's why we're here to test these out. So like I said, I'm going to, well, I don't know if I said that, but anyway, I'm going to probably do a few more celebrities, and let's see how this goes. It's been about 5 hours later, and I've just noticed something. The link here, you'll notice that it's got this file TR King space, then the dot, then another space, and then the com, and then these numbers. So when people try to click on this link, it doesn't really work. I did some research, and it seems like you can't post links on Ingo, or Ingo, however you pronounce it. So I don't know if this is going to work, to be honest with you. I've had only, I think, 4 views of this image. I haven't had time to post other images yet, but I'm going to try it. But this worries me. And I saw another video of the creator where he says you need to basically put in brackets something like that, ensure no spaces. I don't know if that's going to work, but now this method, I thought it would be a good method, but this just makes me wonder, why don't they allow links? But anyway, I'll leave it. I'm going to post a few more images. I should get to that now. So I'll probably do another video in a few days with a follow-up on this to see if this method did make any money. With this method, I will reserve my final conclusion until I've posted more images and had a lot more views on the images. So I'll definitely make a follow-up video in the next few days. So be sure to subscribe and watch out for that video. Thanks for taking the time out of your day to watch this video. If you enjoyed watching this video, please hit that like button to help my video reach many more people. See you on the flip side. Ciao.